Childhood is not from birth to a certain age, and at a certain age, the child is grown and puts away childish things. Childhood is the kingdom where nobody dies. Nobody that matters, that is distant relatives, of course, die. One never has seen or has seen for an hour, and they gave one candy in a pink and green street bit bag or a jackknife and went away, and cannot really be said to have lived at all. And cats die, they lie on the floor and lash their tails, and their rich and fur is suddenly all in motion, with fleas that one never knew were there, polished and brown, knowing all there is to know, trekking off into the living world. You fetch a shoebox, but it's much too small, because she won't curl up now. So you find a bigger box and bury her in the yard and weep. But you do not wake up a month from then, 2 months, a year from then, 2 years, in the middle of the night, and weep with your knuckles in your mouth and say, "Oh God, oh God." Childhood is the kingdom where nobody dies that matters. Mothers and fathers don't die. And if you have said, "For heaven's sake, must you always be kissing a person?" or "I do wish to gracious you'd stop tapping on the window with your thimble," tomorrow or even the day after tomorrow, if you're busy having fun, there's plenty of time to say, "I'm sorry, mother." To be grown up is to sit at the table with people who have died, who neither listen nor speak, who do not drink their tea, though they always said tea was such a comfort. Run down into the cellar and bring up the last jar of raspberries. They are not tempted, flatter them, ask them what was it they said exactly that time to the bishop or to the overseer or to Mrs. Mason. They are not taken in, shout at them, get red in the face, rise, drag them up out of their chairs by their stiff shoulders and shake them and yell at them. They are not startled, they are not even embarrassed, and slide back into their chairs. Your tea is cold now, you drink it standing